Hello, this is Kim from the Beauty Biz, and I hope you're having a great day. We are talking about why use a makeup primer. The number one reason that we use a makeup primer is to prime the skin for foundation. And the product showcase this week is the Lancome La Bosse makeup primer, and as you can see, it is clear. It is a oil-free but slightly silicone-based product, and makeup primer has three basic things that it's supposed to do. It's supposed to even out your skin tone, it's supposed to reduce your pores, and it is supposed to prime the skin for foundation. So I just kind of call it's filling in all the wrinkles and the peaks and valleys to make a smoother makeup application. So we're going to talk about how to apply it. Now, of course, you can squeeze a little bit on your fingers and apply like we would a serum, but my best tip for you is to squeeze a little bit out on your palm. Okay, you are going to take a foundation brush. Okay, get just a little bit. It does not require a lot because it glides really smoothly. We're going to start in the forehead, and we're just going to feather out from our forehead and just apply in the places that you tend to crease your makeup. Now, it provides, I've already done my makeup, as you can tell, but it provides such a glow. And I don't know if you can tell, but you can absolutely tell a difference when you wear your makeup if you start with a primer. Now, it also will help your foundation stay throughout the day without caking and creasing. It sort of acts like a good base, almost like a finishing powder would, to help set your foundation in place so you don't sweat it off, it doesn't wear off, or cake or crease. So if you want to learn more about Lancome's La Bosse Makeup Primer, head to the website, kimsbeautybiz.com this week, and you can learn many more beneficial things about the La Bosse and ingredients list. Also, we always give you the link to the product on the Lancome website if you want to buy. But as I've always mentioned, kimsbeautybiz.com has a wealth of free resources and information for all of us in the beauty biz, and I love showcasing my favorite Lancome products and sometimes other products as well. If you're wondering just what kind of eyeshadow look we have got the MAC eyeshadow, and this is Copper Cove. You can see kind of matches the burgundy that I'm wearing today. And I always when I'm wearing the burgundies and pinks, I absolutely love the MAC bronzer, and it's got the 4 colors, and you just kind of swirl it and it just gives you like an all over glow. It is fabulous. I absolutely love it. You guys have a wonderful week. I hope you have enjoyed the video. Check out kimsbeautybiz.com for the product showcase this week. And if you're not following me on Instagram, that's where I hang out most of the time. If you've got any questions, be sure and shoot me a DM or comment below, and I'll be happy to help. You guys have a wonderful day. And as always, much love.